Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the Biolab blueprint in Subnautica 2. You'll need a scanner for this, so make sure you've got it. And now you want to go to the life pod, and from the life pod you should see an Altera base, which is going to be located a few hundred meters or less, maybe like 100, towards southeast direction. As you can see here, it is going to look like this. A small Altera base with many windows. And here you're going to find the Biolab. You can also use this Biolab as it is inside of here, but you'll need to connect a battery into this terminal. So, with the bioscanner in hand, you can go ahead and scan the Biolab, and after you've scanned it, it should unlock a blueprint, which is going to allow you to craft the Biolab. Now, once you've done that, you'll also need a habitat builder to build this Biolab. And to build it, you want to go into Interior Facilities. In the Production tab here, you'll see Biolab, on which you'll need mild acid, which can be crafted inside of a fabricator using some acidic rayon pouch and copper. The acidic rayon pouch can be found inside of the coral domes, just like this one. Here you can see it. You will just cut it with the survival multi-tool to get the acidic rayon pouch. Copper is found inside of caves on the ceiling mostly. Another thing you'll need for the Biolab is copper wire. Copper wire is also made from copper, and inside of the fabricator resources electronics, and from 2 copper you can make 1 copper wire. And the last is titanium. Titanium can be found inside of every biome, and it is mostly found on these kind of rock formations or inside of caves. So once you've gathered all the materials you need, you'll also need an electricity grid, which is going to be able to supply 5 units of energy to the Biolab. So you can go ahead and place it down using the habitat builder. And now to use it, you can click anywhere on it using the left click, and here you'll see active biomods. These biomods can be activated by pressing shift if you have them activated also inside of the slot. To activate them inside here, you want to just click at any biomod that you see here. Firstly, you'll have only these 2 biomods, and these can be unlocked by getting the bioscanner and scanning the necessary creatures that are going to show you inside of here, as you can see. Nextly, you have the passive biomods, which are going to be passively functioning, and you'll also have these 2 unlocked, and you can unlock another 8 biomods. Also, these locked slots, I haven't really found a solution how to unlock them and get more passive biomods at one time, so you'll just have to stick with 1 biomod. Also, once again, you can just click around on the biomods and they are going to activate. So this is pretty much all how to get and use the Biolab in Subnautica 2. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.